Hello, today we'll be looking at probability. My name is Juliana Altekian and I'll be taking you through probability. When we talk about probability, we're simply talking about a chance that an event will occur. An event may likely occur and it may not occur. But when I'm certain that something will definitely happen, this probability is 1. For example, there will be a nightfall today. Definitely there will be a nightfall today. And so that probability is 1. However, there are times when events never occur. For example, when I say all man will live forever, this is definitely impossible. And so the probability of this event occurring is 0. Most times we use the word probability loosely, and it simply means that we're not sure if this event will likely happen or not. And so you will find out always that your probability lies between 0 and 1. It is 0 when it won't happen and 1 when it will happen. Now let's take a look at tossing a coin. A coin has 2 sides, the head and the tail. Now the probability that I'll be picking the head, which is of course one side, out of the 2 sides is definitely half, because I have just one head and I have 2 sides. Same thing also for the tail, it's also half. Now let's look at throwing a die. When I throw a die, my die has 6 sides, 6 faces, and we have the numbers 1 to 6 on each of the face. Now the probability of picking a 3 is just 1 out of the 6 faces, and so my probability of picking 3 is 1 over 6. You see that this is actually a fraction which is less than 1, and it falls between 0 and 1. How do I calculate the probability that an event will occur? This is simply the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Now let's take one final example. I have a bag which contains 3 yellow balls and 5 blue balls. If I am to pick a ball at random, the probability that I'll be picking the yellow ball is simply the number of the yellow balls, which is 3, divided by the total number of balls in the bag, which is 8. And so my probability of picking a yellow ball is 3 over 8. If I am to look for the probability of picking a blue ball, that will be the number of blue balls, which is 5, divided by the total number of balls in the bag, which is 8. So my probability is 5 over 8.